that the water is familiar and interesting to young children. The activity encourages curiosity and exploration. Children make predictions before testing objects. Children observe and discuss the results. It develops early scientific thinking and vocabulary. Actually, on the day that we will arrive, the teacher on the kindergarten already told them about the things that we were going to talk about and teach them the sing or float. They even saw them a kind of music things in their projector, and then we told them about them to the sing and or float things by our music, but we changed the lyric on the Good Morning songs. Yes, next.
Okay, next I would like to present the short lesson plan overview. For the class is Kamboja 6 in age 4 to 6 year old. Duration only 30 minutes. Number of children there are 25. Theme of water and object. Standard physical science learning objective. Predict whether objects sing or fall. Identify object that sing and fall. Use the word sing and fall. For the next, for the material and activity, we use water basin, stone, leaf, plastic sponge, bottle cap, towel. For activity is teacher introduce water and object. So all the children they make prediction and test object in the water. Also they observe the result, and then children show object into sink and flow.
So for the project implementation with children, the children showed excitement and curiosity when we introduce the object with them, like the spoon, the stone, the leaves, and the paper craft. And then we ask them to predict whether each object would sing of what. This got them thinking critically before jumping into the hands-on part. Children took turns testing the object, and then they observed the result carefully. They used easy science vocabulary such as sing, float, heavy, and light. For the reflection and challenges, what worked well is the children participate actively. The hands-on activity kept them engaged. The children enjoyed making predictions, and they learned through direct observation. And the challenges we face is some children focus more on playing with the water. Some children need help explaining the ideas, and also some children need more time to speak confidently. Okay, for assessment and conclusion. Assessment strategies for this activity. First is observation. Teacher observe the children during action and response during this activity. Second, learning story. Teacher record children learning and thinking. And also checklist. The teacher use checklist to monitor the children science skill and progress. So for conclusion, the sing and flow activity help children develop their coordination skill, observation skill, and classification skill, and communication skill, and cooperation skill. So it's a fun and meaningful activity that encourage children to explore and learning through hands-on activities. Experience.
This is picture of our activity on in preschool.
About activity that we are class.
Yes.
Pergi bahagian yang kamu explain activity yang mudah.
Set imajinasi.
Bahagian masa mula-mula sampai dekat bawah.
children explore, think, and stay engaged during hands-on learning. This report uses observation as a chosen strategy to explain how it checks children understanding of physical science, sync or plot, give example of observation, apply during learning time, consider what findings suggest for future teaching practice.
Next, for our assessment strategy is on the observation. Observation is assessment strategy where teacher watch children during science activity. By observing their behavior, interactions, and response, the teacher can understand how children think and learn in real time. For example, the teacher can observe children predicting what will happen, testing their idea, and comparing different objects or results.
So the strategies across science domains is first, life science, observation of plant care and growth of learning stories on curiosity about living things, checklist for living versus non-living and basic needs. Second, environmental science, observation of sorting and recycling behavior, learning stories on environmental attitudes, checklist tracking recyclable material recognition, and for physical science, observation of prediction during sync of plot. Learning stories is on reasoning about density and checklist for predicting, testing, and explaining result. Okay, for checklist, for example, you can see how science skill makes prediction before test. Testing, test the object in water, extract the result, sync of flow. Example, why heavy light material and work cooperatively with peer. So we can see on checklist, we chart A, complicated on the skill, and B and C, still more support, especially in explaining their idea.
Reflection and learning is using assessment to guide what comes next. Assessment isn't a final judgment, it's a cycle of noticing, reflecting, and planning. Some children predict correctly by material, metal, sinks, and plastic floats. Some rely mainly on size, small things plot, and some can explain their reasoning, others will still struggle to put it into words. Even when children are strongly engaged, many still need extra support to grasp density and how materials properties affect sinking and floating. Moving teaching from what happened towards why it happened.